This is a 1 gang, 1 socket, 13 amp mains plug. I'm just going to strip it down and show you what's inside. It is brand new and therefore there shouldn't be any issues with it. I'm just going to show you what's inside so you can repair your one if required. Now this particular one comes from Kingfisher. I don't know what types they have or what different types they have, but these are the basic stuff that comes with it. Now I'm just going to take the back off and very carefully show you what's inside. You've got to be careful whenever you do this, make sure you don't lose any bits. Now that top part there is the earth, and the part on the left hand side is the toggle switch. And that's the insides. It's fairly straightforward. The part that would normally fall out is on the left hand side, which is the connection for the main switch. So now I'm just going to put it back together. It's held together by the 2 screws. And that's it. Thank you for watching. And if you got value from this video, then please share, like and subscribe. And if you want to see more DIY videos, then please go on to my channel.